The Thompson Elk Fountain means so many different things to so many different people. A lot of people draw to the fact that it does represent the soul of the city.
The Portland Parks Foundation rallied the community and the city, built momentum, and made the case that this was worth fighting for. 65 donors stepped forward to contribute $160,000 to fund design plans. And in City Hall, then Commissioner and now Councillor Dan Ryan kept this alive. And then the hard work began. The Portland Water Bureau led the delivery from start to finish, and they worked through challenges that could have stopped this project, but they kept going. Contractors and craftspeople from across the country worked meticulously to bring this to life. And across Public Works, every bureau showed up.
It means a lot to have both public and private individuals and agencies involved in the project and what we can do when we all work together.
You don't always know what matters until it's gone, but now it's back, built for the next 100 years through the power of partnership, right here in the heart of Portland.